Good morning class. Today we are going to discuss about your next chapter, that is chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is Safety First. See, in this chapter we are going to discuss about some safety rules which you should follow at your homes and outside also. See, why you should follow these safety rules, why these are necessary. See, when you get bumped, what happens is basically sometimes you bruise your knees and elbows, right? And sometimes there is this fracture also, right? And what they do is basically these unwanted or unpleasant injuries pain you, right? They sometimes does not let you walk for 2 or 3 days, or there is this swelling on your ankles or elbows, right? So to prevent these unwanted injuries, what we should do is basically we should follow some safety rules. So, to avoid the accidental injuries, we must follow safety rules. See, what are those safety rules? See, what they say is basically you should start safety first from your own houses, right? So, first point is your safety at home. See, what is basically the rule so that you can follow them and you will not get accidental injuries. See, for example, when you play, your toys are spread around on the floor, right? And they sometimes harm you. How do they harm you? See, what happens is basically when you left your toys after playing and you do not remember that you have spread your toys on the floor and you start running in your houses, right? So what happens, sometimes you accidentally bumped into those toys, right? And you get tripped over those toys, right? And injuries happen, right? So first thing you must do is basically you should not leave your things anywhere, right? Things should be placed at their proper places. See, next is your bathroom floors. Sometimes people get slip over the bathroom floors. Why does it happen? See, when you take a shower and when you come out, sometimes you do not wipe the floor, right? There is this water on the floor, and the houses are some houses are made from those marbles, right? They get slippery when the water is there on the floor. So you must wipe the floors so that there is no water and no one can get harmed. See, there are some elderly people at your house, your grandfather, your grandmother, right? So you must always take precaution that your bathroom floors are not slippery, and if they are slippery, wipe those floors so that no one can get harm. Next, in the kitchen. See, your mothers do not let you play in the kitchen, right? Why is it that? See, there are some very harmful things for you so that you cannot get harm. See, first thing is your knife, right? Your mothers always told you that you should not play with those knives. See, they are very sharp, and when you play with that, you sometimes get cut, right? So, do not ever play with the knives. Second, do not turn on the stove, right? Under the supervision of adults, only then you should turn on the stove, right? Second, do not play with the matchbox. See, there are gas cylinders at your houses. If you play with that in the kitchen, it will be very harmful for you. You can burn the whole house down with that. So please do not ever play with the matchbox in the kitchen. Next is, do not touch the utensils with the bare hand. See, your hot utensils. You cannot touch those utensils with your bare hands. See what happens when you touch those utensils with your bare hands, you get burnt. So that's why do not touch the hot utensils with your bare hand. And do not go close to the gas stove while it is burning. See, that heat can burn you, that heat can harm you. So do not get close to the gas stove while it is burning. Okay, see, next is safety from electric shocks, right? See, this is your socket, right? This is the socket where you charge your phones, right? Where we charge our laptops, right? So what you must take precautions so that you never get electric shocks. See, first thing is, for example, while playing, what you do is, what your naughty mind think is that, for example, this is pen. What you want to do is basically, sometimes what you do is, you take this pen and you try to shove this pen in these sockets, right? So, do not ever shove these pen in the sockets. You can get electric shock from that. Second is, you are always told that you should wear slippers while turning on the switches, right? And your hands should not be wet while turning those switches. See, what happens is basically when your hands are wet, you can get electric shocks from that. So do not use wet hands while turning the switches. See, last one is, if you ever see a loose wire, do not ever touch it and inform your elder so that they can make it proper and you will not get electric shock from that. Okay class, this will be all for today. Thank you for listening.